Binigyang diin ni Pangulong Aquino ang katatagan ng mga Pilipino sa kabila po yan ng mga naranasang krisis at kalamidad nitong nakalipas na taon. Sa taunang Vindi Honor sa Malacanang, kinilala rin ng Pangulo ang kontribusyon ng mga miyembro ng Diplomatic Corps sa pag-ahon ng Pilipinas mula sa mga nagdaang kalamidad. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Elena Luna.
Nagbigay pugay si Pangulong Aquino sa katatagan ng mga Pilipino sa New Year Vindi Honor sa Malacanang. Sa kanyang toast sa taunang tradisyon sa palasyo, binalikan ng Pangulo ang nagdaang taong 2013. Nakitaan niya ang pagsasama-sama ng mga Pilipino nang tumama ang Bagyong Pablo, daganap ang kaguluhan sa Zamboanga City at nalindol ang Bohol.
This transformation was manifest in the very attitude of the survivors, our affected brothers and sisters who actively clamored and worked with us to rebuild their lives, livelihoods, and communities. And in the overseas Filipino workers and Filipino communities abroad who did not think twice about giving what they could for their countrymen in need. Indeed, we also saw this transformation in the many government workers, scientists, social workers, and common Filipinos who worked hand in hand as we faced both natural calamities and man-made challenges.
Nang tumamaan niya ang Bagyong Yolanda, nasubok ang determinasyon ng mga Pilipino. Ang mga trahedyang ito aniya ang nagpalakas sa pananampalataya ng mga Pilipino sa Diyos.
Some of you have marveled at the resilience of our nation, a people whose faith, though challenged, remained constant and only deepened. Our unbreakable spirit and ability to recover find root in our firm and benevolent God who has the perfect plan for all of us. These tragedies tell us that despite all our efforts, we are indeed powerless without God.
Ang Vindi Honor sa palasyo ay dinaluhan ng mga opisyal mula sa ehekutibo, lehislatura at hudikatura. Ang Vindi Honor din ang pagkakataon para makasama ng Pangulo ang mga miyembro ng Diplomatic Corps na kinilala niya ang kontribusyon sa pag-ahon ng Pilipinas mula sa mga dumaang kalamidad. Ayon sa Pangulo, binuksan nila ang isang bagong kabanata ng ugnayan ng Pilipinas sa kanilang bansa.
To everyone gathered here, it is with a sincere sense of gratitude that I tell you, the Filipino people remember who their friends are. Filipinos never forget an instance of kindness and will constantly look for ways to repay those who stood by them in the most difficult times. In our language, we call this utang na loob.
Ang Papal Nuncio na si Archbishop Giuseppe Pinto ang tumugon sa toast ng Pangulo bilang din ng Diplomatic Corps.
At the times, the strong are called to be even stronger. When faced with this tragedy, the Filipino people reacted with the strength of their character and their faith. Victims and rescuers became members of the same family. The whole world wished to help, to console, to rebuild. As in previous calamities, you, Mr. President, paved the way for local and international solidarity. Inspiring episodes of heroism and fraternal love in Samar, Leyte, and the neighboring islands are being written in the pages of history. The signing of the Annex and Power Sharing of the Framework Agreement of Bangsamoro between the government of the Philippines and the More Islamic Liberation Front also gives new hope. This is the work of peace. Peace is the essential infrastructure that permits us to build even in the midst of ruins. Or better still, from the ruins it illuminates the path towards the realization of the legitimate aspirations of a nation.
Dumating din sa palasyo ang mga kapatid ng Pangulo, ilang negosyante at mga kinatawan ng international organizations. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.